All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, October 14th. So right now you're looking at Ninja Trader with my live account active and ready to take some trades. And now you're looking at Topstep X with my combines, ready to take some trades. I got 2 combines right now so I can test out the copy trading thing. And then once I'm comfortable, then I'm gonna go ahead and add some more combines. Right down here at the bottom, you can see those 2 combines. That's all I got right now, active. And at the very top, you're seeing the stats for the leader combine. That everything's going to copy this combine. So 50K, 48 is my max loss limit. And you can see basically this combine has not traded at all. This little button over here is to lock out my accounts for the day once I'm done trading. So I'm not tempted to get back in and do some casino trading. With Topstep X, if you want to add more windows, the way I did it is over here. I just went to open new window. So I have gold is what you're looking at right now, GC. And my other window is Bitcoin, MBT. Over on this big sprocket over here, settings. So over here for risk, when you are in Topstep X, you don't have a DLL. So unlike other firms, there's no DLL. So you can come over here and set your own. I set mine for $1,000. And then it's asking you, what do you want to happen when you hit $1,000? And I want it to liquidate my trade and block the account for the day is what I've asked it to do. I can change that to do different things. Profit target as well. If I'm just trying to pass a combine, I can hit a profit target. So if it were to spike into that profit target and then reject right away, hopefully it gets out on the spike. I pass the combine and I don't have to worry about that rejection that takes place. So pretty nice. You can set that profit target. Tell it what you want it to do. It could be liquidate and block, etc. So pretty sweet. And then while I'm in this big sprocket over here, copy trading, this is their copy trader. So in the copy trader right here, I can clear what I'm doing right now, but I'm going to leave it. So whatever accounts I have are going to be down here. I can click this little button telling them to follow this account. So I selected this as my, when I first got in here, I had an option to select the main account and then highlight these squares for the accounts that are going to copy it. And that's it. Copy trading done. So now every time I place a trade, these will copy and my window will automatically show me my main account. So waiting for gold right now to do a setup. The way I've broken up my day is I have gold as my first ticker that I'm trading from 8 o'clock to 11:40, somewhere in that area. And then I have Bitcoin, which I start trading at 11 o'clock. So there's a little bit of an overlap, but not too much. Most of gold sets up right now around this time in the morning. And very rarely we'll have trades in gold after 10:30. So this way I don't have to focus on multiple tickers with little bit different strategies and then have to get all that straight and not make mistakes and all that stuff. I can just focus on one ticker, the strategy that goes with it, and clear my brain of anything else. So I've kind of divided my day up like that so my tickers can trade throughout the day. I still have YM on the books for the live account, which will trade from 9:30 to 10:30, and but like I said, most of the time gold will already be done trading by that time. So I should be able to jump from gold to YM to Bitcoin, and occasionally there'll be an overlap of tickers, which we'll see how I manage that. If it becomes too difficult, then I'll just have to rearrange my strategy and my trade plan to fit that. So I'm not doing that. So next thing that's changed is before when I was doing those combines, I was trying to do mostly discretionary trading with some technicals and some indicator help. But now I'm just straight up trading off my indicator. No more discretionary trading, just trading the proven statistical probabilities. And that's it. So the trade is what the trade is. When it sets up, I have my entry, I have my target, I have my stop. I can squeeze some more out sometimes. But pretty much set it, forget it. And let's going to try to squeeze a little more out. So a lot less thinking to do, a lot easier, I want to say a lot less emotions. Emotions are still involved, but they're not really involved in making the decisions. So once I'm in the trade, that's it. The trade is what the trade is. Looks like gold's going to want to be a long trade here. Trading on the 5 minute chart right now at gold. Okay, so another thing is I just had to remember to turn off my VPN so I didn't get in trouble with Topstep and then end up getting liquidated and lose my profits. So VPN off. Next thing I did is on my little bar here, I selected to put on this countdown timer. So as the candle's getting ready to close, it's showing me I got 1 minute 40 seconds left before this 5-minute candle closes. So pretty awesome right there. Market clock is down here in the bottom right. But I really like this on the chart right here, looking at it to see that I got how much time I have left to close. I place my trades based on the close of candles. So this is really helpful to know when to start clicking buttons. I did that. I put that on there by going to the little sprocket right here. And then scales. And then count down to bar close. Clicked on that right there. And then there you go. You get that little timer right on there. So I'm going through my trade plan to just start over and relook at everything. Look at my live account trade plan and look at the new trade plan from scratch for the combines to go through to XFA to live again. I discovered a bunch of challenges that I needed to resolve in order for me to be able to be successful. One of those was being able to trade my live account at the same time as my combines, because before I was having to log out, log back in. It's just time consuming. And when setups happen, I didn't have a lot of time to do that, which then just added more pressure, more rush, if you will, into trying to get things done, and made mistakes by doing that. I didn't frame out my trades properly. I wasn't able, or I just didn't, because my brain was busy with other things. I didn't check my risk, and then I would just jump in with the same amount of contracts I've been trading, but then the risk was higher, and then of course that would be the losing trade, not the winning trade. It never works like that for me. So I was having a lot of issues. Just even trying to bounce back and forth between logging in and logging out and logging in kind of thing. So I had to resolve that, and Topstep X is one way to resolve it. So check on that box. And just a reminder for those of you who might be new to my channel, I am not an affiliate of Topstep. I'm not paid by them in any way, at least at the time of making this video. So everything I'm giving you from my prop firm experience is 100% my opinion. And right now, so far, Topstep has been awesome, and now I'm giving their Topstep X platform a run, and then you'll get my honest opinion on it because I'm not an affiliate with them. And the biggest reason why I think Topstep is awesome is because they let you trade like a real trader. They don't have rules. Their rule is don't blow up your account. So, that's basically it. And then their payouts are awesome. They're not going to hold you to some consistency thing where, oh, you made too much money today. Sorry, we can't pay you out. What? That's how trading really is. So they let you be a real trader at Topstep. And then their live account program is great. You get to move into a live account, and you're not just stuck in a simulator. That incentivizes Topstep to make profits off of your success, whereas prop firms that don't offer a live environment, they make profits off your failure. So everything, I would imagine, everything that those prop firms do would be geared towards you, making you fail, making it harder for you to succeed, telling you can't DCL because it's not a real strategy. All right, so I know this video is going to be a little bit long today because I just wanted to give you some of those little additional informations on the new trade plan and the Topstep interface and all that good stuff. So just waiting now for gold to set up here. We'll see if it wants to. Got about 30 minutes left before I may take some trades in my live account with the Dow Jones. And then we'll look at Bitcoin, and I'll bring those trades to you. And hopefully this video will be less than 30 minutes. But yeah, that's where we're at. All right, traders. And then after today going forward, most of my videos will be about 10 to 15 minutes each. Hopefully 10 minutes each video. Okay, just jumped into gold here. Gold just confirmed, jumped in. Gonna put my stop in. I just jumped in by hitting the button over here, buy. And my stop is going to be at 669, 668. Right click, sell stop, 2 contracts. Sell stop 2. Right there. So now my stop is in. And then my exit is 6759, 675. So limit 2. All right, so I got my my stop market sell down here to get out if it wants to come back down here, and my target right there. So really high probability in gold, so I went big on it today. Could be a loser, but trading based on the probabilities. So we'll have to wait and see how this thing plays out. 5.9. So right there is where my target is. Let's change that color to green. All right, so I'm going to try to squeeze some more out. All right, we're going to drop it. And then we'll see if we get to squeeze more out, or do we end up...
Order filled.
Order filled. All right, that's what it sounds like when we're out of the trade. So a nice way to start the new combine copy trading. It worked. So I ended up with $893 in the combines today. Look at gold starting to boost higher. And we'll see if Bitcoin wants us to give me a trade as well. So maybe I'll make $1,000 today right out of the gate. That'll be pretty sweet. Again, today was like a 96% probability in gold, so I had to go big on it. Should have went bigger on it. But yeah, it is what it is. So I'll take that profit. Good way to start the new deal. And yeah, all right, everybody. We'll see if Bitcoin sets up. All right, that's going to do it for today. I would like to stick around and try to trade Bitcoin today. Right now you're looking at Bitcoin's chart. But I'm going to head out and go catch a rocket launch with my little one. So that'll be pretty awesome. And but yeah, looking down here, you know, $893 today, almost $900 on the one combine. Had I been trading 5 XFAs, it would have been almost a $5,000 day. Do that 5 days a week on average, and you're making $1 million a year. So pretty nice. Now, of course, that wouldn't be possible because Topstep would already move me over to a live account, and then you only get one of them. What I'm wondering though is if I did move my live account over to Topstep X, and I think the only way to do that is to close the live account and then get a new one, like go through the process and get a new one. I have to find out. But if I were to trade my live account in Topstep X, could I also copy trade 5 XFAs? And then once they hit a certain threshold, they'll dump that money into my live account, and then can I go through the process again and trade 5 XFAs, copy trading with my live account? So that'll be basically six accounts. I wonder how that, I got to look into that a little bit. But if I could do that, then I think I'm going to try to do that, because that would be pretty awesome to be able to just do like 500 to 1,000 a day and have that translate in reality to 4,000 to 5,000 a day. So anyway, so that's going to do it for today, traders. Good start to this new session. It's nice to trade based on proven statistical probabilities and not discretion, not using a lot of technical indicators. And yeah, it's just way less stress. Set it, forget it. It's awesome. All right, see you on the next trade.